Inheritance in Python. Inheritance is a concept in OOP that allows us to create a new class, child class, based on an existing class, parent class. The child class inherits all the properties and methods of the parent class, and it can also have its own unique properties and methods. This promotes code reuse and allows for creating specialized classes. Creating a child class. To create a child class in Python, we define it similar to a regular class but specify the parent class in parentheses after the child class name. The child class can then access the properties and methods of the parent class. It can also override the parent class's methods or add new methods.